Hello friends. This video I'm going to teach all the basics of the skeletal system so clearly. Come on, look into my video with keen and interest and concentration. You're going to learn all the basics of skeletal system so clearly. Come on. The skeletal system is divided into two types: the axial skeletal system and the appendicular skeletal system. Here we have 80 bones. Out of the whole body, how many bones are there? 206 bones are there. Okay, let's come on. For the axial skeleton, we have four things. Okay, skull, vertebral column, sternum, and the ribs. Okay, in the skull, we have two types. That is cranial bones, which form the cranium of our brain, which protects our brain. Okay, there are 8 bones in it. Okay, and the facial bones are which form the front surface of our head. Okay, then we have the hyoid bone. This is a U-shaped bone, which is at the base of the knuckle cavity, and we have the ears. We have 3 types of bones: stapes, incus, malleus. Remember friends, this is an important thing for your entrance examination. Remember it again: stapes, incus, malleus. These are collectively called the ear ossicles. Okay, then come to the vertebral column. The vertebral column, the first one is called the atlas. Okay, then we have 5 things here: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coccygeal. Okay, in the cervix, which means head, we humans are 6 cents, so plus 1 and you can get the 7. Okay, thoracic. In thoracic, we have one heart, which includes the rib cage. Think of what are the things in it. You have one heart and a pair of lungs. Just write 1 and 2. You get 1. You get the number of bones in it. Okay, just a trick to remember. Then we have lumbar. In lumbar, just subtract this. 12 minus 1, you could get 5. The last 2 things will have each bone. 1 bone each. Okay, remember that. And in the cervical vertebrae, there are 7. This we read about human beings, but it is almost same in all types of mammals. Then, come on, let's learn about ribs. There are 12 pairs of ribs. The first 7 are called the true ribs, and the 8, 9, 10 are called the false ribs. Okay, why they are called false ribs? Just to think about, because they do not directly attach to the sternum, they attach indirectly to the seventh rib. Okay, then 11th and 12th do not attach itself, so it is called the floating ribs. Okay, each limb has 30 bones in it. Okay, suppose they are upper limbs or hands. That there are 3 things in it: wrist, metacarpus, digits. Wrist has 8 bones, remember that, and metacarpus, just remember fingers. How many are there? 5 fingers. And if you want to remember the digits, just count it on me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just 40, right on. And same thing for the legs. Just subtract 1, you get, for ankle you have 7 ones, and for the metatarsus as usual 5, and digits as usual 14. Okay, which is the longest bone in our body? The femur. Thigh bone is the longest bone, and the kneecap is surrounded by a bone called the patella. Let's learn about the 2 types of girdle: pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle. Right. Okay, the pectoral girdle will join or articulate the upper limbs to our body, and the pelvic girdle would articulate the lower limbs with our body. Okay, the pectoral girdle have 2 halves, which are the clavicle and the scapula. Okay, clavicle has 2 curvatures and they are called as collarbones, and the scapula, it is a triangle shaped bone